If you're a service business and don't want to chase payments, then sending payment links is the fastest and most convenient way to get paid. It also speeds up your accounting because you can reconcile payments to customer accounts easily in your accounting software when digital references are used. This is something that Shuttle helps with, unlike other payment links solutions. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Shuttle Payment Links account, add a payment provider to accept card or bank-to-bank payments, then create and send links to your customers. Before we get started, let me give you a few of the benefits of using Shuttle. Number one, you'll get paid faster. Payment links are typically paid within 48 hours. Number two, your accounting will be simpler and quicker. Number three, your customers will appreciate the payment process and be able to check out fast in the future once they save their credentials. Number four, it's a highly trustworthy payment process because you can brand your checkout page with your logo, your domain, and your messaging. Number five, any of your team members can create and send links, so it's a scalable option. Number six, you can hide cards for high-value transactions and request that your customer pays you via bank method if you prefer not to incur higher fees that are associated with card transactions. So let's see those benefits in action. The first thing we're going to do is create a Shuttle Links account, so go to shuttleglobal.com/links and create a new account. You don't need to select our sandbox, we're just going to create a live account here. Next, we'll connect a payment provider. So if you don't have one, click No. If you do, you can click Yes and scroll through the different payment providers that we have integrated. So I'm going to go ahead and connect up Stripe as a new user. We'll lead you through the sign-up process. You will have to finalize your Stripe account on the Stripe website if you want to actually draw down the money to your bank account later. So I can recommend Stripe. If you're in other countries, there are other options. We also have other payment providers. We can help you find the right payment provider for your business. If you want to accept direct debit or open banking payments in the UK, you could use Stripe, but you could also use GoCardless as well. Now we might present you with some different options. Once you've signed up for Stripe and connected to Stripe, or signed up and connected to your payment provider of choice, you can go ahead and select whichever options you require. And there might be some other options based on your account here that you can select. So I'm connected now. I'm going to go and set up my payment link. In this demonstration, I'm going to set up something that my sales team and agents could actually create consistent links and send out links in a template form to our customers. I'm just going to skip the tutorial process, and I am going to hop over to our payment link section, and I'm going to now enable personalized links. Next, I'm going to use the agent link generator, which is part of our upgrade plan. The link generator is really just a template for how your links are created and what information you want to capture with your links when someone goes to check out. I could provide the ability for anyone to go to our link generator URL and create links. It's up to you how you do this. So my link generator is ready. I can actually view it here. If I add a reference, then it's going to be easy to reconcile in my accounting package, and we'll pass this reference all the way through the payment process. So as you see, I've baked in some of the details about this link, who's it for, the email, and then down here, we have a waiting area for the customer. So actually your agent, if they stay on this page, can see when the customer is actually paying this link and where they might get stuck, how far through the process they are. Here's my link. I can grab that. Now I can paste this link into an email, into WhatsApp, into an SMS, wherever I want to send it. I could access this from my mobile phone as well. So let me go do that in just a moment. But first, let's have a look at the checkout page. Now we're going to have a very basic checkout page here, and I'll show you how to customize this with some branding in a moment. My checkout page, very simple. Someone can go through the process and pay. I already got all of these details baked in. This agent screen shows the customer hasn't filled out any payment information yet. We'll copy our link generator URL, so any of my agents can now go to this link and start creating links for their customers. This is our link generator in action. We're ready to send this link now. Grab the URL and head over to that page. You can see how easy this would be to create on a mobile phone in the field, on the go when you've finished a job. However you want to create a link, whenever you want to create a link, you can now standardize the way links get created for your service business. Let's come back to our setup here. And I'm going to head over to the branding section so I can add a custom domain, which is going to be really helpful and trustworthy for when my customers want to go to my page. They'll know that they're paying my service business. Shuttle also enables you to add a friendly domain using one of our prescribed domains here. So you could have a subdomain like servicebusiness.shuttlelink.com. Let's make that active. I can upload a favicon. A favicon is the icon that you see in the browser tab. I can also add my brand logo. Great. Now I've got my customized page. Let's go back to my payment link section and use my payment link generator. Now you'll see my page has my logo on it. I can also create some more messaging and content on this page. I might want to update my page footer with specific details about my business. Let's head over to the settings. I can set my currency. I can have email receipts sent to my customers. I can send myself an email notification of payment and view reports. I can also invite others to manage my account with me. If you want that capability, that's how we enable a team of sales agents with our agent link generator to create links on the go as they need them for customers. Customers can go and pay on a branded payment page, and your business can get paid more efficiently.